What's up, guys? I just want to make a quick video on how to remove the wheels off the loader. They put these caps on here, and some of them I had to drill a hole so I can get to the screw that's in there, because I couldn't pop them off. Like this one here, I was able to pop it off. You can see it move. See it popped off. But yeah, I think they glue the cap on here. There really isn't no other way. I wouldn't suggest heating it because you might mess up the wheel itself. But yeah guys, so after you take that cap off, then you just take your Phillips and you take this screw off of here. Give me a second here. Because I plan on upgrading these wheels to maybe some softer wheels or something, because it gets terrible traction. But as you can see, the screw's coming out. You just get it and you pull the wheel. Here, hold on. Terrible screwdriver. So after you take it off, it's got a hex. I think it's a 7.2 millimeter hex, because I put an 8 millimeter socket and it's kind of loose. And if you want to pull the axle, this here ring, after you pull the frame off, you slide this ring off. It's just like a sleeve, and it's a two-piece axle, and you could spread it and take it apart. But yeah guys, there you go.